Gardeners are going crazy over this secret. Just one piece of charcoal and a pinch of turmeric can transform your plants. And no one expected this. Charcoal is more than fuel. It's a plant doctor. It absorbs extra water, blocks fungus, removes bad odors, and even feeds the soil with tiny minerals. Here's the magic. Take a small piece of charcoal, tie it with a thread, and hang it near your plant stem. Now sprinkle turmeric powder right on top of it. As the turmeric slowly falls, it protects both stem and soil from harmful germs and pests. This simple combo stops fungus and bacteria, keeps away harmful insects, balances soil naturally, and makes plants grow fresher, greener, and stronger.